first ever Los Angeles Climate Week in the United States showcases vegan living to help tackle climate change. Organized by the Kaleidoscope Foundation and various partners, the inaugural Climate Week held in Los Angeles, USA, featured more than 100 businesses and functions across 20 venues. The program kicked off with opening ceremony celebrations, followed by a vegan buffet. The week featured various ways to address climate action, including a fashion show, an art exhibit, presentations on clean energy, films, a march, panel discussions, and most importantly, events related to establishing a global vegan food system. The organizers hope that the week will foster continued discussion and prompt climate action. Congratulations, Kaleidoscope Foundation, and all involved on hosting your first Climate Week and encouraging the public to take part in a vegan food system. In celestial upliftment, may the world soon adopt the vegan lifestyle to help address climate change and save lives.